Welcome to AiSign, your best solution for effortless contract creation. Let's walk through how you can create, edit, and send contracts using our AI-powered platform. Start by giving your document a unique name. This helps you stay organized and find your contracts easily. Next, enter the details for each recipient involved. Make sure to specify the signer role. Choose the state or jurisdiction where your contract will take place. This ensures compliance with local laws. Now, describe the type of contract you need. Be clear and specific to help the AI tool generate a high-quality contract. With all the information entered, let AiSign do the work. Review the generated contract to ensure it meets your requirements. Need to make adjustments? Request updates from the AI contract generator, or tweak it yourself by hitting Edit and Send Document. Once you've completed your edits, simply click the Sign Contract button to finalize your document and move forward. Enhance your contract by adding essential signer fields. Simply drag and drop the elements you need, such as a signature field and a date field, directly into your document. This customization ensures each signer provides all necessary information. Your contract is ready. With a simple click on Send, your document is on its way to the recipient. That's it. Using AiSign, creating and sending contracts is a breeze.